Hello everyone and welcome. I'm excited to kick off today's session with our first slide titled Prisha Network Concepts. Here, we're all about learning, growing, and connecting. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. I also want to warmly welcome you to my channel. In this presentation, we'll explore the fundamentals of network concepts, how they work, and why they're important. So let's get started and dive into the world of networks. Let's take a closer look at the Prisha Network Concepts slide. Here, we're exploring how devices connect within a network, which is essentially the layout or structure that links different devices together. Understanding this layout helps us grasp how data travels and how networks function efficiently. Most common topologies include the star topology, ring topology, and mesh topology. Each of these has unique characteristics that make them suitable for different situations, and we'll dive into those shortly. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is topology? Well, topology refers to the physical or logical layout of the network, how devices are arranged and connected. It's a foundational concept because the topology impacts network performance, reliability, and scalability. So, as we go through these concepts, keep in mind that the way we connect devices isn't just about physical wires or wireless signals. It's about designing a network that meets specific needs efficiently and effectively. Now, let's dive into the Prisha network concepts. This is a technology that plays a crucial role in email communication. It helps us manage and secure the flow of information by filtering out unwanted or harmful content. When we talk about content filtering, we're referring to a process that automatically screens emails for specific criteria. This can include spam, malware, or even inappropriate material. The main idea is to ensure that only safe and relevant emails reach our inboxes. Content filtering is essential because it protects users from security threats and keeps our email environment clean. As we continue, you'll see how this concept connects to the overall theme of network security and efficient communication. Now, let's talk about Media Access Control Address, or MAC address for short. This is a unique identifier that every network device uses to distinguish itself on a network. Think of it as a digital fingerprint for your device. What's important to remember is that no two devices anywhere in the world share the same MAC address. This uniqueness helps in accurately identifying devices in a network. A MAC address is made up of 6 bytes, which are hexadecimal numbers. These hexadecimal numbers include both alphabets and numbers. For example, a typical MAC address might look like 0046A69A199. This combination of characters is what makes each MAC address unique and essential for network communication. Understanding MAC addresses helps us see how devices are recognized and managed in a network, which ties into the overall theme of network identification and management. It's a fundamental concept that keeps our network communications precise and secure. Let's take a closer look at some common network concepts. First, we have PAN, which stands for Personal Area Network. This is used on a very personal level, like connecting your phone to your smartwatch or Bluetooth headphones. It's all about short-range connections that typically cover just a few meters. Next is LAN, or Local Area Network. Think of this as a network of devices like computers and printers within a single building. It's what you might find in an office or a school. The key point here is that all these devices are located close to each other, making data transfer quick and efficient. Moving on, we have MAN, which stands for Metropolitan Area Network. This network covers a larger geographic area, like several buildings within a city or a town. It's often used by organizations that need to connect multiple offices across a city, providing high-speed communication over a broader area. Finally, there's WAN, the Wide Area Network. This is the largest type of network, spanning cities, countries, or even continents. The Internet itself is the biggest example of a WAN, connecting millions of devices worldwide. Understanding these different network types helps us see how data moves from personal devices to global connections. Each plays a crucial role in how we communicate and share information in our daily lives. Let's take a closer look at some of the key concepts in the Prisha network. First, we have SCADA, which stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. This is a crucial software system used in industrial facilities to control and monitor equipment remotely. It helps ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently by providing real-time data and control capabilities. Next, we have cell phones. These devices allow us to access the internet and make calls by utilizing radio systems like GSM and CDMA. These technologies are what enable our mobile communications to be fast and reliable, connecting us to the world wherever we are. Speaking of CDMA, or Code Division Multiple Access, this is a specific type of radio technology. It's designed to allow multiple users to share the same frequency band simultaneously without interference, making our communication clearer and more efficient. Finally, there's 4G LTE, which stands for Fourth Generation Long-Term Evolution. Developed by the Third Generation Partnership Project, this technology represents a significant leap in mobile network performance. It offers faster data speeds and more reliable connections, supporting the high-demand applications we rely on today. All these concepts tie back to the overall theme of our presentation, which is understanding how different network technologies work together to support modern industrial and personal communications. Welcome to the final slide of our series on Prisha network concepts. I will be sharing the basics of networking step by step right here on this channel. My goal is to make these concepts clear and easy to understand for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others who might be interested. Your feedback means a lot and helps me know what topics to cover next. Feel free to leave a comment with suggestions for future videos, maybe a specific networking topic you'd like me to explain. Thanks again for watching and supporting this channel. I really appreciate your time and engagement. Thank you so much.